Hello, my name is Lars Meyer Waarden. I'm professor in marketing at Toulouse School of Management and at the Business Science Institute, where I'm the director of the DBA in Southeast Asia, Bangkok, Cambodia and Vietnam. At Toulouse School of Management, I'm in charge of managing a dual degree and master at different universities in Thailand, Hong Kong and Shanghai, but also a dual degree in Germany with Ingolstadt Management School. I've done my PhD in Germany, Karlsruhe Institute of Technology, and Po in France. And before being in academia, I was working for L'Oréal, so in a marketing management position. All right, what are my research areas about? So globally about customer relationship management, CRM, where I'm working on three different parts: strategic marketing and transformative marketing, with topics about big data, impact of big data management, innovation management and platform management on firm performance, so more a global strategic marketing topic. I'm working on the acceptability of IoT and artificial intelligence and the usage and the impact on augmented customer relationships with, for example, mHealth apps, autonomous vehicles, smart cities, service robots, chatbots, and the factors that impact the antecedents, that impact the technology acceptance of these technologies, but also the outcomes, that is, what is the impact of these technologies on usage intentions or usage, loyalty, and well-being. And the last dimension or last domain is about loyalty, commitment, customer care, customer experience, so properly spoken customer relationship management, where I'm working on the different tools of CRM, the impact of, for example, loyalty programs, service recovery programs, the impact on loyalty and customer engagement, but also how these technologies enhance the customer relationships, because today CRM is highly technology based on big data to make personalization, based on AI, based on IoT, with different devices, technical devices that impact the relation. For example, chatbots or service robots that are more and more used within the service value creation chain for service recovery, IoT in order to connect data that enables firms to do personalization, AI in order to realize also stronger links with customers, but also in order to analyze the big data to do better personalization. And finally, how this personalization and big data impacts also negative aspects, because the big data, we know firms know more and more about customers, and this creates what we call privacy concerns. So I would say this concerns the dark side of customer relationship management, the negative impact of CRM technologies on loyalty, but also on well-being through, for example, addiction, intrusion into private life, privacy concerns, but also other harms that might be created by these technologies. So, and in terms of methodologies, I'm working with CASE experiments, field experiments. I try to work with longitudinal studies, that is to observe phenomena on the long term, over different weeks or perhaps even in a month. Inter-subject studies, that is the observation or the studies are always done with the same cohorts of customers in order to see how the technology, how the management tool impacts before or above all after usage, their behavior. So it's interesting to see what happens before and what happens after usage of the technology. And I try to replicate my studies in order to create empirical generalizations, in order to see if the results hold in different contexts of technologies, in different sectors, but also in different countries, through cross-cultural comparison. So these are my research areas where I'm also supervising PhDs and DBAs. My research is published in more than 30 journals, which are mostly category 1 or A journals, category 2 journals. I've published more than 80 articles in international academic conferences. I've written 3 books and some book chapters. Some of my research is also awarded by Academic Excellence Awards. Today, our agenda is the following. We will start first with the hot topics in the field of marketing. That is, which are the topics which are actually very interesting at the moment and which might give you an idea about research, where you should do research in marketing. Then we will see in the domain of the connected consumer how these smart technologies based on IoT and AI are used in marketing within 2 applications. And so the first application of technology acceptance models to AI, IoT and related technologies. We will see examples about antecedents of adoption of smart connected objects, smart homes, autonomous vehicles, chatbots, service robots. And second, we will see, so after having seen the antecedents of the technology acceptance, cognitive, affective, and social antecedents, we will see the consequences, namely well-being, because these technologies have a highly important impact on well-being of the customers. Loyalty programs. So this is the agenda we are having, and we'll start with the hot topics in marketing.